Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on POCO M7 Pro. Let's begin. The very first step, and probably the most important you could do, is simply going to the settings, scrolling down a little, and then entering display and brightness. In here we can scroll down, and as you can see we have brightness level options right here. The very first one is obviously just the bar. You can decrease it to decrease the brightness, and you can increase it to increase the brightness. But we want to make sure that we have automatic brightness enabled, just like that. And as you can see, my phone already adjusted the brightness of my device. Now you might, by accident, not check automatic brightness, but maybe sunlight mode. So you want to check if you have this enabled. It kind of works similarly to automatic brightness, but not in the exact same way. It is more sunlight dependent than overall brightness dependent. So you want to make sure that this is disabled, this is enabled, and then it should be working. However, sometimes you still might have some kind of issues. Then I would also recommend just checking if you're not, well, maybe not hallucinating, but maybe you think that having a different color scheme also decreases the brightness. It totally depends on you, but for example, if you set it to something like bright reds or like cold colors, then you might think that your screen is lighter or brighter depending on that. So it's also pretty important to just make sure that it's not that. And lastly, the good old restart option. In case that this still won't help you, you can perform the restart if you press and hold power button, though by default it actually opens some sort of AI assistant nowadays. So alternatively you can, I think, press and hold power button and volume up or volume down. It kind of depends. Yep, volume down, volume up. It does depend on the device you have. For this phone it's power button and volume up. So now we simply go to the reboot, and now everything is rebooting, especially the lenses that detect your sunlight levels, because they are responsible for automatically changing your brightness with auto brightness option enabled. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.